So students, let's start this period. We have started chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and the linear equations. Algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expression? It is an equation involving variable or literal variable, literal number, variable or literal number, or literal numbers are nothing but the alphabets and the numbers. So I have treated algebraic expression just like a film in which you have hero and villain. My hero is literal number, variable or alphabet, and the villain is number. Then we have started exercise 9.1. Fourth question. Write the following statements in mathematical form using signs and symbols. Signs means plus, minus, addition, subtraction. Symbols means greater than, less than or equal to. So A we have done, B we have done, C we have done, D we have done. Now let us start E. A subtracted from 2 is less than 1. A subtracted from 2. So from which number we have to subtract A? From 2 I have to subtract A. From 2 I have to subtract A. So first I will write 2. From 2 I have to subtract A, or A subtracted from 2. So from 2 we have to subtract A. So I will write 2 subtracted means minus A. A subtracted from 2, or from 2 subtract A. So whichever number is from, after from that we write first. After from it is 2. So I will write 2. Subtracted means minus A is less than 1. Is less than 1. Less than means this side. Is less than 1. If you write this way, then it will be greater than. But it is less than 1. So A subtracted from 2. From 2 we subtract means minus A. 2 minus A. And it is when A is subtracted from 2, it is less than 1. Means inequality will be on the one side. So answer is 2 minus A. 2 minus A is less than 1. 2 minus A is less than 1. Because the question is A subtracted from 2. From 2, which number we have to subtract? A. So whichever number is after from, that we write first. 2. Subtracted means minus A. So A subtracted from 2 means it is 2 minus A. And what is 2 minus A? It is less than 1. Less than means inequality will be on one side. If 2 minus A greater than 1, then inequality will be on 2 minus A side. So 2 minus A less than 1. This is the symbol less than 1. So A subtracted from 2 is less than 1 means from 2, so we write 2 first, then subtracted means minus A, so 2 minus A, and it is less than 1, we write less than 1, inequality less than 1. Let us do 10th one, F. 10 divided by X is equal to Y. 10 divided by X is equal to Y. So we write 10 divided means division symbol, divided by X. So 10 divided by X is equal to Y. This is the answer. 10 divided by X is equal to Y. There is another answer to this. We write the division in two ways. Either we write A divided by B, or we write A upon B. We write the division in two ways, A divided by B or A upon B. So the same I have written first way, 10 divided by x, so 10 division x is equal to y, or in second way I can write 10 upon x, 10 divided by x, A divided by B means A upon B, so 10 divided by x I can write 10 upon x is equal to y. You can write in the second way also, 10 divided by x is equal to y. 10 divided by x is equal to y. Any way you can write. So 10 divided by x, 10 divided by x is equal to y. Or you can write 10 upon x is equal to y. Both are same. Both are same. Is it clear? So A subtracted from 2. So whichever number is after from, that we write first. 2 minus A, and it is less than 1, means inequality will be this side. Then 10 divided by x. So 10 divided by x is equal to y, or A divided by B I can write A upon B. So same thing, 10 divided by x I can write 10 upon x is equal to y. 10 upon x is equal to y. 10 upon x is equal to y. Now G. 12 multiplied by Q gives 36. 12 multiplied means multiplication by Q. So 12 multiplication Q gives means equal to. Gives means output. Gives means output. Output means is equal to 36. So 12 into Q is equal to 36. Or you can also write 12 into Q is same as 12Q. 12Q is equal to 36. 12Q means it is 12 into Q. 12Q means it is 12 into Q. 12Q means 12 into Q, because see the result, A into B is same as A dot B. A dot B is same as AB. This is the result. Whether you put cross or whether you put dot or there is nothing sign between A and B, means it is AB. AB means A into B or A cross B. So they are one and the same. They are one and the same. So 12 into Q is same as 12Q. So 12 multiplied by Q, multiplied means multiplication sign, Q, gives means is equal to, gives means is equal to, or output, when 12 is multiplied to Q, the output is 36. Gives means output, output means is equal to, so is equal to 36. 12 into Q is same as 12Q. So because see the reason, A cross B, for multiplication there are two symbols, cross and dot. Cross and dot, both are symbol for multiplication. So A cross B is same as A dot B. A dot B is same as AB. So if you write AB means it is A into B. A multiplied by B. When you write AB means it is A multiplied by B. So A cross B is same as A dot B. A dot B same as AB. So AB is same as A into B or A cross B. For multiplication there are two symbols, cross or dot. So AB means A multiplied by B. A multiplied by B means A into B. A into B is same as A cross B. So whether you put cross symbol or dot symbol for multiplication, they are one and the same. So 12 multiplied by Q gives 36. So 12 into Q is equal to 36. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us start. Let us start fifth one. Write the following expressions in words. Let us start fifth one. Write the following expressions in words. Fourth, we have written words into mathematical form. We have written the statements into mathematical form. Now fifth, we have to write the mathematical form into words. You have to write the mathematical form into words in fifth. In fifth, we have to write the mathematical form into words. So fifth one, writing the question. Write the following expressions in words. Write the following expressions. Write the following expressions in words. Write the following expressions in words. Means you have to write down the statement. Write the following expression in words. First, A, it is x plus 4. X plus 4. This is given in the mathematical form. This is given in the mathematical form. We have to convert mathematical form into words or statements. So x plus 4. This x plus 4. So what you will write? Yes, what you will write is plus means sum. Plus means sum. Plus means increased. Plus means sum. Plus means increased. So what you will write? The sum of, plus means sum. The sum of x and 4. Sum of which two numbers? Plus means sum. Sum of which two number? X and 4. So we write this. The sum of plus means sum of. The sum of x and 4. This is the statement. The sum of x and 4. This is the statement. Plus means sum. Plus means sum. So we write the sum of which two number? X and 4. Plus means sum. Plus means sum. So plus of which two number? X and 4. So plus means sum. So we write the sum of x and 4. The same x plus 4 you can write in other words. Plus means sum. Now plus means increased. Plus means increased. So which is increased? X is increased. By how many? 4. So we write x increased. X increased. X increased by 4. X increased by 4. This is another statement. You can write any statement. You can also write this as the sum of x and 4. You can also write x increased. Plus means increased. Plus means increased. So x increased by 4. So we are adding 4 to x. Means x is increased by 4. X is increased by 4. Now second, y minus 1. Y minus 1. B. It is y minus 1. It is y minus 1. Let me write on that side. B. It is y minus 1. Yes, completed this part. Okay. Y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1. Yes. So this you write B y minus 1. Minus means difference. Minus means difference. Plus means sum. So you can write this as y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1. This is one answer. What is another answer? Plus means increased. So minus means decreased. Plus means increased, minus means decreased. So what you will write? Y decreased by 1. What you will write? Y decreased. Y decreased by 1. Y decreased by 1. You can also write y decreased by 1. Clear? Y minus 1 or y decreased by 1. Because plus means increased, minus means decreased. So y minus 1 means y is decreased by how many? By 1. So y is decreased by 1. Okay. Y is decreased by 1. Y is decreased by 1. Then next, P upon Q. C is P upon Q. Third, P upon Q. P upon Q. What you will write? Statement. Yes. What is the statement? What you will read this as? Yes. You will read this as P divided by Q. P divided by Q. P divided by Q. This is the statement. P divided by Q. P divided by Q. P upon Q. Or you can also write the quotient of P by Q. The quotient of P by Q. The quotient of P by Q. The quotient means division. The quotient of P. The quotient of P. The quotient of P by which number? By Q. You can also read P divided by Q or the quotient of P divided by Q. The quotient of P by Q. They are one the same. Quotient means division. So it is P. It is P upon Q. Means P is divided by Q. P divided by Q. Or the quotient of P by Q. Because Q is there in the denominator. So we write by Q. By Q. Is it clear? So P upon Q means P divided by Q or the quotient of P by Q. The quotient of P by Q. Is it clear? Write the following expression in words. X plus 4. Plus means sum. So first we write the sum of which two number? X and 4. The sum of X and 4. Second, plus means increased. So X increased by 4 because we are adding 4 to X. So this is same as x increased by 4. Then we have y minus 1. Minus means plus means increased, minus means decreased. So we write y decreased by 1. Y decreased, we say decreased because it is minus. Then p upon q, we write p upon means division. So p divided by q, or we can say division is same as quotient. The quotient of p by q. P upon q means the quotient of p by q. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us do fourth one. Let us do fourth one. Let us do fourth one. 12t. 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 Yes. 12t. Fourth D. D is 12t. 12t means it is 12 into t. So t is how many times? 12 times. So this we read as 12 times t. 12 times t. 12 times t. This is the answer. T is multiplied how many times? 12 times. T is multiplied how many times? 12 times. So we write 12 times t. We write the answer as 12 times t. Next, g upon 5 minus 2. E. G upon 5. G upon 5 minus 2. G upon 5 minus 2. What do you mean by g upon 5? What do you mean by g upon 5? G upon 5 I can write 1 upon 5 into g minus 2. What do you mean by 1 upon 5? 1 upon 5 means 1/5. 1/5. 1 upon 5 means 1/5. Multiplication means of 1/5 of which number? G. Then minus means decreased. Minus means decreased. So what we read? 1/5 of g decreased by 2. 1/5 of g decreased by 2. G upon 5 means 1 by 5 into g. 1 upon 5 means 1/5. 1/5 of g minus means decreased by 2. So this we read 1/5 of g, 1/5 of g minus means decreased. Decreased by 2. 1/5 of g decreased by 2. 1/5 of g decreased by 2. 1/5 of g decreased by 2. G upon 5 same as 1 upon 5 into g. So 1 upon 5 means 1/5. Multiplication means of, we are taking 1/5 of which number? G. So 1/5 of g minus means decreased by 2. 1/5 of g decreased by 2. Then f b plus 3c. Is it clear this problem? G upon 5 means 1 upon 5 into g minus 2. 1 upon 5 means 1/5 of g. Multiplication means of. So 1/5 of g minus means decreased by 2. Is it clear? 1/5 of g decreased by 2. Minus means decreased. Minus means decreased. Minus means decreased. Now let us do next. Next is b plus 3c. b plus 3c. f b plus 3c. What do you mean by plus? What do you mean by plus? Yes? What do you mean by plus? What do you mean by plus? Plus means sum. Sum of which two number? B and 3c means 3 times c. So b plus 3c I can write b plus 3c I can write 3 into c. 3 into c. So plus means sum. So we write sum of the sum we write because it is plus, the sum of which two number? B and plus means sum. So the sum of B and 3C means 3 times C, no? B and 3 times C. 3 times C. The sum of B and 3 times C. The sum of B and 3 times C. Is it clear? 3C means 3 times C. So plus means sum. Plus means sum. The sum of which two number? B and 3C. 3C means 3 times C. 3 into C. 3 into C means 3 times C. The sum of B and 3 times C. Now let us do next G. G it is 11 minus n. 11 minus n. 11 minus n. What you will write? Minus. Minus means decreased. Minus means decreased. Minus means decreased. So what you will write? 11 decreased by how many number? N. So we write 11. We write 11 decreased. 11 decreased by n. 11 decreased by n. We write 11 decreased by n. 11 decreased by n. 11 decreased by n. 11 decreased by n. It is 11 decreased by n. Minus means decreased. So 11 decreased. 11 minus means decreased by how many number? By n. So 11 decreased by n. 11 minus n means 11 decreased by n. 11 decreased by n. Then h. Let us do h. 11 decreased by n. 11 minus n. 11 decreased by n means 11 minus n. Then h. H it is 1 upon 5 of a minus b. 1 upon 5 of a minus b. 1 upon 5 of a minus b. What do you mean by 1 upon 5? 1/5. 1/5 of which number? A minus b. Minus means difference. Minus means difference. 1 upon 5 means 1/5. So we write 1/5. 1/5 of 1/5 1 upon 5 means 1/5 of which number? A minus B. Minus means difference. So 1/5 of difference of A and B. 1/5 of difference of 1/5 of difference of A and B. 1/5 of difference of A and B. A minus B means difference of A and B. 1/5 of the difference, 1/5 the difference of A and B. 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 Is it clear? 1 upon 5 means 1/5. 1/5 of which number? The difference. Minus means difference. Minus means difference. Difference of which number? A and B. So 1/5 the difference of, minus means difference of which number? A and B. A and B. A minus B means difference of A and B, and 1/5 of that. So 1/5 the difference of, difference we say difference because it is minus sign. 1/5 the difference of A and B. We say difference means it is A minus B. We say difference means it is A minus B. Now let us start sixth question. Write suitable statements for the following. Write suitable statements. Write suitable statements. Write suitable statements for the following. Write suitable statements for the following. Write suitable statements for the following. First, P plus Q is equal to Q. P plus Q is equal to Q. So what do you mean by P plus Q? Yes, what do you mean by P plus Q? Plus means sum. Plus means sum. So sum of which number? P and Q. Plus means sum. So we write the sum. Plus means sum. The sum of, plus of which two number? P and Q. So the sum of, plus means sum. The sum of P and Q. P and Q. There is equality means is equal to Q. The sum of P and Q is equal to Q. So this is the statement. The sum of P and Q is equal to Q. Plus means sum. The sum of P and Q, equality means is equal to Q. The sum of P and Q is equal to Q. Next, x minus 7 is equal to y. 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 B, x minus 7 is equal to y. Minus means difference. Minus means decreased. Minus means difference. Minus means decreased. Minus means decrease. Minus means difference. So what you write? Minus means decrease. So x decreased by 7. Equality means is equal to y. So we write x decreased. Minus means decreased. X decreased by 7. x minus 7 means x decreased by 7. Then equality is there, so we write is equal to y x decreased by 7 is equal to y. Minus means decreased, so x decreased by 7. So x is decreased by which number? By 7. X minus 7 means x decreased by 7. Equality means is equal to y. So minus means decrease sign. Minus means decreased. Then we have x plus 5 greater than 7. X plus 5 greater than 7. What do you mean by x plus 5? Yes. The sum of, plus means sum. The sum of x and 5 is greater than, inequality is towards x plus 5. So x plus 5 will be greater. So we write plus means sum. The sum of x and 5 is greater than 7. The sum of x and 5, the sum of x and 5, why I have written sum? Sum means plus. The sum of x and 5, x plus 5 means sum of x and 5. Then inequality is toward x plus 5 means is greater than 7. Is greater than 7. X plus 5 means sum of x and 5 is greater than 7. So first I have used plus means increase, plus means sum. Then plus is also known as increased. So what you will write? X increased by 5 is greater than 7. Plus means sum, plus means increased. So we write x increased by 5, x increased by 5 is greater than 7. Is greater than 7. Plus means sum, plus means increased. Plus means sum, plus means increased. Plus means sum, plus means increased. So x increased by 7 is greater than x increased by 5 because it is x plus 5. Plus means sum, plus means increased. So x increased by 5 because we are adding 5 to x. So we say x increased by 5. Then it is greater. Inequality is toward x plus 5 means greater than 7. So plus has meaning sum or increased. So plus means sum or increased. Minus means difference or decreased. Minus means difference or decreased. Plus means sum or increased. Minus means difference or decreased. Then let us do D part. D, a minus b is less than 9. A minus b is less than 9. Yes, what you will say? A minus b less than 9. What you will say? A minus b less than 9. Yes, what you will read? A minus b less than 9. So we read this as minus means it is minus sign. So we write a minus b. A minus b is less than 9. Is less than 9 because inequality is towards 9. So 9 is bigger. A minus b is smaller. So a minus b is less than 9. Or what you can say? A decreased by, minus means decreased. A decreased by B is less than 9. Is less than 9. Is less than 9. A decreased by B is less than 9. Minus means decreased. Minus means decreased. So A decreased by B is less than 9. A decreased by B is less than 9. Or A minus B is less than 9. Why we say less than? Because inequality is towards 9. Where is inequality? It is towards 9. Means 9 is bigger. A minus B is smaller. So A minus B is less than 9, or A decreased by B is less than 9. Then E, 7 plus A is equal to B. E, 7 plus A is equal to B. 7 plus A is equal to B. What do you mean by 7 plus A? Plus means sum. Plus means sum. So what do you write? The sum of 7 and A is equal to B. Plus means sum. The sum of 7 and A. The sum of 7 and A. 7 plus A means sum of 7 and A. Equality means is equal to. Is equal to B. This is the answer. The sum of 7 and A is equal to B. The sum of 7 and A is equal to B. The sum of 7 and A is equal to B. The sum of 7 and A is equal to B. The sum of 7 and A is equal to B. Yes, now we stop here. Next lecture we will continue further. So plus means sum, plus means increased. Minus means difference, minus means decreased. So this you have to remember. Division means quotient. Yes, now we stop here.